Welcome to our portable laundry showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two innovative laundry solutions designed for those living in tight spaces. On one side, we have the WonderWash, a manual, non-electric washing machine that promises to deliver clean clothes anywhere. On the other, we have the portable washing machine, a modern, electric, and collapsible unit that offers convenience and efficiency. Let's explore their features, pros and cons, and see which one comes out on top for your laundry needs. The WonderWash operates purely on manual power, requiring users to crank the handle to wash their clothes. This makes it ideal for off-grid living and areas without electricity. In contrast, the portable washing machine is electric, offering a fully automated washing experience with just the push of a button. While the WonderWash promotes self-sufficiency, the Sangukiro provides convenience and ease of use, especially for those who prefer a hands-free approach. When it comes to storage, the WonderWash has a fixed size, meaning it requires a dedicated space in your home. This can be a drawback for those with limited room. On the other hand, the portable washing machine features a collapsible design, allowing it to be easily stored away when not in use. This makes it an excellent choice for travelers or anyone needing to maximize their space. A significant difference between these two products is their drying capabilities. The WonderWash does not have a spin function, meaning clothes must be manually wrung out after washing, which can be cumbersome. In contrast, the portable washing machine includes a spin basket that helps remove excess water, making the drying process faster and more efficient. This feature could be a game changer for those who want to minimize drying time. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the portable washing machine offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. If you prioritize manual operation and off-grid capability, the WonderWash may be your best bet. However, if you seek convenience and space-saving features, the portable washing machine stands out with its collapsible design and spin basket. Whichever you choose, both are excellent solutions for compact laundry needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.